I'm excited to talk to you today about a PDW, or truck gun, or multi-purpose, or just having fun, cool gun, whatever you want to call it. Sig Rattler. Okay, this is the Rattler 300 Blackout Canebrake edition. Comes from the factory, suppressor ready. All you have to do is put your favorite can on it and you're good to go. Sig has done an outstanding job with this platform. Lots of great features on it. Very fun to shoot. You're gonna pay for it though. With all that comes that price. And this, if you're not willing to sink somewhere in the neighborhood of $2,000 to $2,500 in a weapon of this type, then this is not for you. But with the right optics, this thing will dominate and perform extremely well in the ranges within, I say, 0 to 75 yards. Personally, especially if you are in a urban environment, 75 yards is a long engagement distance. More something along the lines of 25 yards, 15 yards. 300 Blackout, I don't think anyone will argue at all about what that will do at those particular ranges. Picked this one up in Fayetteville, North Carolina at Jim's Gun Shop. I want to say thank you to Trey, thank you to Tony, thank you to Ben. They have an excellent staff on hand to assist you with putting together platforms like this. Mine has only a few aftermarket parts on it, but I really enjoy this. I'm going to shoot it a little bit on video to show you a little bit about the recoil, but the Sig Rattler Canebrake edition. You can't go wrong with this one right here, y'all. I'm going to give you a quick rundown of what I have done to customize my Sig Rattler for myself. Okay, this is the Canebrake edition. It is designed to be suppressor ready. But what I did was I replaced the side folding stock with a retractable MPX PSB stabilizer. That's a better fit for me and my applications. I'd rather go in and out with it than having to worry about having the extra space to fold that over. I've got the extra mags, color matching toward the furniture on the Rattler. I have topped it with a Trigicon MRO, and that can be co-witnessed with some good Magpul flip-up sights. And one of the better, not better, but the best sling I've ever owned, hands down, is a Blue Force. Okay, this one is padded, QD attachment, mount here and mount on the opposing side. There's a lot of people out there pushing products that they have not used, products that they're pushing for other people, but that Blue Force gear is top notch. Larry Vickers, thank you. We need more people out here pushing this type of gear. But this is an awesome shooter, and like I say, it comes suppressor ready, and you know, excellent truck gun. No one can complain about the power, flexibility, and the range 300 Blackout.